So Xiaomi 13 Pro, this mobile is in trending right now because this mobile comes with a lot of features in very soon, which is going to release soon in India. First of all, let's start with this mobile's features. First of all, let's start with the display size. This comes with a 6.73 inches of LTPO AMOLED display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate supported display, and it also supports 1 billion colors. And this mobile also comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. When we talk about this display's specialty, yeah, it is a 1 billion color supported display, and it also comes with 1800 nits of peak brightness. Yes. And when we talk about this mobile's processor, yeah, this is also the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is an octa-core 4nm based 5G processor. Now, when we talk about the 5G, yeah, we have to know about the 5G bands. Yes, this mobile comes with almost 19 bands of 5G in internationally, but in China it comes with the other bands. I mean, like other number of bands. And when we talk about this mobile's major thing, that is the cameras. Yes, this mobile comes with a humongous cameras at the back side. Yes, it comes with the triple cameras at the back side in a square module, but it comes with a 50 megapixels of 1-inch main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization. Yes, and it also comes with another 50 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera, and it also comes with another 50 megapixels of wide angles camera. So total of 3 cameras at the back side. All 3 cameras are 50 megapixels of cameras. For the front, it comes with 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. By the way, we can shoot up to 8K 24 fps with these mobile's back cameras. And when we talk about this mobile, the other huge thing about this mobile is that this mobile's battery, it comes with a huge 4820 milliamp hours of battery, and it supports up to 120 watts of fast charge through wire and 50 watts of wireless charge, and also it supports 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. So these are the features of this main features of this mobile. When we talk about the memory, the variants, this mobile will be available in a lot of variants. Right now, this mobile may comes with 8GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants. When we talk about these storage capacities, yeah, these are UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM type. So combining these 3 processor, RAM and storage types, we can expect a great killer performance in this mobile also. And this mobile also comes with other features like this mobile comes with the when we talk about the operating system, this mobile runs on MIUI 13 out of the box with Arnold version 13. And when we talk about this multimedia, yeah, this mobile comes with stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. And this mobile also comes with front back glasses and metal frame, so we can the durability of this mobile also very good. And this mobile doesn't comes with any IP68 or water and dust resistant features, so that is a minus thing. And when we also talk about this mobile's other features, like yeah, this mobile also comes with the latest features like it has the Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, which are the best features right now. And this mobile also comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner, not ultrasonic one. I don't know why they are not giving the ultrasonic, but yeah, okay. In-display fingerprint scanner, and it also comes with when we talk about the box contents, yeah, this mobile comes with a TPU case, a 120 watt fast charger also including this in the box of this mobile, a TPU case, a charger and a cable and SIM ejector tool and some guides, the things that we will get through with this mobile in the box. And when we talk about the colors, yeah, this mobile will be available in a lot of colors like ceramic white, ceramic black, ceramic something. I will list the colors in the description box down below with a buying link when this mobile comes to sale, so please do check it out, the description box. And when we talk about the major the huge important thing, that is the price range. Yes, there are rumors like this mobile might come with the price tag of like 75 to 79,000 rupees, so I think that might be a little overpriced. So let's see what's the price range of this mobile when it releases. So stay tuned to the channel by subscribing to the channel and like the video if you like this video. So that's it.